Hey buddy, you're in gear. Going back, I'm not sure if y'all can hear me over this heater. I'm not sure what setting he has it on, but it's cold where we're at. So we have a heater pumping. And yeah, most of today's video is going to be time-lapsed. But it's cold. But obviously you see we're working on a superhawk. Yeah, it's cold. And I ain't like it. Shiny pipes there. Let's show them. Look at that. Go on like that. Yep. You see my rigging on the toolbox there? Yeah. Keep it up going. Alright, let's see what we're going to need here. Still get this. Yes. No. Alright. I need to take some of this out. I don't need all these spacers. I need some help. Or I need something to hold this up right there, one. And we can't move. And now we get it snug. Yeah, that's the pushing brake. Give me another 12. I'm going to roll that thing. Gotta roll. Whoa. Thank you for no. You messed the spacers up in there. I got to take it out and redo it now. Jerry, what does "don't move me"? Seriously, what does it mean? what is your definition of don't move? What is it?
That's our 6 o'clock.
Okay? That means don't move.
Oh, good.
I just want to see what she's going to look like. You can let her. Oh, yeah. I need now. The hard thing is I got to undo this. We're going to flip it around. Because I don't want the boat here. I want the boat on the inside. I just want to see, you know, hey, what we're looking at. Really start trying to figure this crap out here. But I don't know how we're going to do this. I guess I need to have that thing inside there. It's going to be up here, and then I see a way. Now we have found the fullest ratcheting wrench you're ever going to find. That thing is awesome. Yeah, I like that. I got to put this in now. That ain't gonna cut it. Oh! Yeah, this video is sponsored by none other than Olsa Tools. Olsa Tools decided to sponsor this video somewhat. You can get you 10% off using my link in the description below. Olsa Tools is a very cool Canadian-based company that is newly designed, very new to the star. In 2015, I want to say, with some of the strongest magnets as y'all saw, we about pulled the box down. Now, they have some of the best screwdriver organizers for when you're working. Boom, right there. Say you're out here. Boom, right there. Or you're out here doing something weird on a Volkswagen. Oh, they got you covered. Boom, right there. Some of the best magnet stuff you can ever get. And it can be yours for a very good price. And you can get 10% off using my link in the description below. Strong magnets. Oh, but you don't want those? You want something even cooler? Olsa Tools got you covered with a variety of tools, including ratcheting wrenches that you push on the end to change directions. Yes, you heard me right. Push on the end to change directions. Olsa Tools has you covered with a variety of stuff. Bench vices, wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, organizers. They have you covered for everything and get a super good price, 10% off. We love Olsa Tools, and you should too, because they are awesome. Olsa Tools, awesome ratcheting wrenches that you... Whew, I'm going left. Oh wait, I want to go right. Okay. Now you're going right. Simple as that. Some of the best ratcheting wrenches you'll ever see in the game. You just push it and it reverses. Simple. Olsa Tools. Go get you some. Link in the description below. Thank you to Olsa Tools for sponsoring this episode of ithwitt. Let's get back to the Superhawk. Thank you, Olsa Tools, for that sponsorship. Go get your own. Link in the description below. Thank you, Olsa Tools, for sponsoring this episode of ithwitt. I am grateful to be working with y'all. Alright, guys, so Superhawk has awesome exhaust tips. Let's hear it. Now, let's go ahead and hear that. I'll be editing. This is just going. I'll see y'all when we get this exhaust note. Pick that super clean banner. Just don't mind that super clean bucket back there. We are working. Yeah, y'all know that banner. And he is bending some. So this video is going to turn out a lot longer than I wanted to due to that promotion deal. I was aiming for 15 minutes, 15 to 18 minutes. But yeah,
Whatever, guys.
it was worth it because
We can cut some of this stuff out.
I might cut some out. We'll find out. I'll probably end up cutting about 30 seconds total on this. Yes, it's cold here. It is actually supposed to snow today, but
It is warm in this shop, guys.
But it's looking like the Texas weather is saying no snow, which is awesome because I don't want no more of that. So there is no snow all day today because that means woohoo!
Later today, it ain't gonna be right now.
If it snows today, it's just gonna be like late tonight.
It's pretty
It ain't gonna
cold
bother
out
us.
there.
We gonna be in the house.
It's warm in here.
And that's what that weird noise is y'all probably hearing today.
Yeah, y'all probably hearing that. That's alright. Get rid of it either. I'll get my mama's to deal with it. No offense, guys. Look, but anyway, I hadn't worked on this old puppy in a while.
Well, actually, I have. I've done some stuff up here.
Off camera. We'll show y'all all that here.
Actually, they kind of have seen a lot of it.
I done put this. Got I got all my grips on. I got my bars on.
Grips need to be.
I got my on there. Got my headlight wired up. Me and Junior here, we ran wire through the handlebars, which
Let's not talk about that.
was, you know, ooh.
Let's not talk about it. We have if we were Chuck, but just the main one is up. Get you there's neck gaiters, there's coffee mugs, there's shirts. Actually, I'm not sure if there's a sweatshirt. I know there's a long sleeve shirt and a hoodie and a short sleeve shirt and a sticker. You get you that, and then also there's still the favorite of us, the Get the Zip Ties merch. That's staying. We like it.
It's funny. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just funny.
That's all the shirts are $25 a piece. The hoodies are $42 a piece.
I know what I did over there.
Oh,
That I'm not doing here. Never mind.
they're all good. I'm not going to change what's at the end for the merch still. I'm keeping it Get the Zip Ties because really the ithwitt merch is just there. I'm only going to do the special ones, you know, like if the next one we come up with. Drop your ideas for what you would like to see on a shirt. What saying that we say or something that you would like to see on a shirt.
Okay.
What's up?
Now I need you to twist this pipe.
Oh, crap. This is crap, man. Yep, that's what they look like from the rear. Looks pretty good. They're not finished installed, but he's done lost a nut. its figures of milk. That's what it looks like. Look good. I am happy with that. Oh yeah, there we go, right there. Would that come off of? But I'm gonna use it. Never mind, I know what this come off of. And I'm still gonna use it. That looks good. We just gotta fab this little hanger bracket up, get it kind of bent into shape. Then, yeah, that does look good. Oh, she looks good. Yeah, we'll catch y'all later. Let the video's not over. Alright guys, so we're fixing to finish this video up on the superhawk, but yeah, we got a splitter, finally. Alright, so before we, this is what the bike looks like. Looks very good. Again, no mic, I just don't have it plugged in, but good looking chrome tips. Emgo, we got whatever this says. So we got the 19-inch turnout exhaust muffler. Emgo. Oh, looks pretty darn good. I'm happy. Sounds good, which we'll roll a clip of that. Next, beautiful Honda logos now. Alrighty, well, okay. So let's see what this old exhaust sounds like here. We got them mounted up. I do need to change the bolts holding them in. I don't like all that. Huh? You're behind. Yeah, check out my shifter. Redneck. We changed out the linkage shifter into a direct shifter. Need to tighten that up some. Alright, let's see what this bad girl sounds like. She gets a little grumpy sometimes, guys. Give it some choke, turn the gas on. It's going to take a minute to get her to idle. And it might not sound like it does in real life because, again, I just don't have the wireless mic hooked up. But in another video, you'll hear that. Hey, buddy, you're in gear. That's it right there. See if there's enough battery. Sounds good. Oh, she sounds good. Well, there you have it. New exhaust tips, emgo, and you already saw it once in the video, but they sound good. It might sound a little trashy on the film, but you know, when you don't have future plans, I'm going to wrap my headers with black fiberglass wrap all the way up to the tip. When you don't have the external mic hooked up, it might. Oh man, she sounds good as deep, man. that's going to conclude this one. Make sure you subscribe. Go check out the merch. Donate. Follow me on Instagram. Go join Patreon. Because they seen this a couple days early. Maybe a week early. I don't know. They seen it early. They seen it really early. So, they seen it early. If you want to be able to do that, you got to go join Patreon. If you want all these cool benefits that Patreon members get, go join Patreon. So, go check out Patreon. Join it. Get you some merch. Subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Coming out next week. So, yeah. See y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.